Hello, welcome to Animal Physiology. I'm glad you're thinking of taking this course. I'm Scott Turner, Professor of Biology, and I'll be your instructor. I'd like to take a few moments to tell you what we'll be doing. We're going to be learning the fascinating details about how the diverse kinds of animals in the animal kingdom work. We're going to learn how animals breathe in air and water, and how they can get along with oxygen or without. We're going to learn about blood, what it is, and why some animals have it and others don't. How the blood circulates in the body, and the different kinds of hearts that animals use to pump it. We're going to be learning about digestion and how animals can subsist on diets ranging from nectar to meat to twigs. We're going to learn how animals move, how they walk, swim, and fly, why some animals are natural athletes and others aren't. We're going to find out how the different kinds of kidneys work in different kinds of animals, and how they help maintain water balance in habitats as diverse as fresh water to hyper-arid deserts. We're going to learn why some animals can get away with being wastrels of energy, while others have to be energy misers, and why some animals hibernate and other animals don't, and why some only appear to. And we'll be learning much more. But we're going to delve into deeper subjects as well. We're going to discuss what physiology is, and why physiology is the essential science of life. Why it not only helps us understand how animals work, but how it's fundamental to understanding ecology, adaptation to the environment, and evolution. We're also going to learn about the epic story of the evolution of animal life, the origin of the animals themselves, the evolution of body size, why some animals are big and other animals are small, the challenges of transition from water to land and ultimately to the air, and the evolution of cognition and intelligence. When we're through, I can promise you that you'll look at animals and at life itself in an entirely different way. So I'm glad you'll be joining us. Let's get started.